Don't close your eyes and walk right on through. There is an adventure waiting just for you. In your car, driving far, staring at your iPad, I've just seen a sparrowhawk. You missed it. Isn't that sad? Playing on your DS, getting eye strain. I'm out looking for frogs, getting soaked through in the rain. Wait, you're late for school. Looking at your phone, a jay flies by me, building its home. On your settee, watching TV. I'm out fishing with my dad, and suddenly there's an astonishing fox right beside me. So don't just use technology, you can use it to find out about all the different types of wildlife you might see around you. You'll be sorry if you miss it, there is no doubt.